Hi everyone, this is a quick video to demonstrate how to find expected value using Microsoft Excel. So the first thing you have to have is you have to have this discrete probability distribution. You can have this extra column which says event if you want, which describes the event, but you have to have x, which is your discrete random variable, and the associated probability with each value of x. So remember, all of your probabilities have to add up to 100%. So what I can do is I can highlight this and hit auto sum. Notice right now, my probabilities only add up to 90%. So I probably did something wrong here. So let's fix this. Let's change this. Again, I made these numbers up. You will be taking them from some sort of problem or something like that. So let's just double check ourselves and make sure that our probabilities add up to 1, and they do. So now we're good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click in this cell over here. Each of these boxes are called cells. And I'm going to head it just so you guys can see what I'm doing. This is going to be x times the probability of x. So what I need to do is I need to tell Excel that I want it to multiply. So anytime you want an equation, you need to type the equal sign into Excel. That tells Excel, hey, listen, I'm not just typing in characters, right? This is not just some text here. I want you to do some math for me. Okay? Once you type that equal sign, then what you can do is you can come over here and select this cell. So now it says B2 here. So what the computer is going to be doing is going to take whatever value is in B2, in this case 1, and doing whatever I tell it to. Okay? So I'm going to hit the multiply sign, so that's shift 8. That's the time sign. And then I want it to multiply x by the probability of x. And then I press enter. Okay, so I'll go back here so you can see what it looks like. So instead of doing that for every single cell, because that's kind of a pain, what we can do is notice if I come over to this right-hand corner, see how my cursor changes from this, let's say, fat white X to a thin black X. So white, black, okay? So as soon as it changes to that thin little guy, I can click on it and hold the mouse button down and drag it, okay? So now, right, it's done 2 times 0.2 is 0.4, 3 times 0.1 is 0.3. So now what we want to do, right, now that we have all these products, we want to sum those products. So once again, I can come up here to my menu, I can click auto sum, and bam, I'm done. So my expected value is 1.4.